Everyone, Surbhika side. So good to be back again. So today I'm gonna review this product. ये product मुझे इसलिए choose करना था because it's a detan product. So it's a glow white detan product from Wishcare. It's a you wish we care. So I like the way they promote the product, and I personally got it from Nykaa, and I was looking for a detan product because personally मैं कुछ साल पहले bleach use करती थी to get that glow sometimes, because I don't need a bleach because I don't have facial hair that much. So people who have facial hair, they can go for bleaches, but it's totally unhealthy for you. Other than that, you can go for something like a detan pack, which kinds of takes away the tan and also gives you that that glow on your face. So this is a product, there was a lot of products on Nykaa and I was looking for one, and finally I came across this one. So this is a very natural product. It says it's tan removal and skin brightening cream with natural tomato, lemon and honey. So your tomato is a natural bleach, honey is a natural bleach, lemon is a natural bleach, but when you apply it directly on the face, so sometimes doesn't suit you, because there has to be a proper concoction with these products, has to be prepared so that they don't damage or don't irritate your skin. So today I'm gonna use it in front of you, and I'm gonna tell you how did it go, does it suit me, and you'll see the effect on my face. And I personally feel that this is something we all need in these corona times, because things are not great. We might not be able to go to salon, maybe in not near future, and not very often. So we should have something at home to keep ourselves looking good. So today I'm going to review it, so let's review it. So before reviewing it, first of all, you have to make sure that whatever makeup or skin product you're wearing on your face, just clean it well, because this has to work directly on your skin. So to clean my face, I'll be using this my old regular Garnier micellar water. It is with that oil infused cleansing water. So I'm just gonna wipe it off, and then I'll show you the next step. So again, I've dipped it in water, and I'm gonna put it on the eyes. Don't forget to take it to your neck, clean your neck properly. So I've changed into this ganji and also put my hair back with the help of this band, because I don't want anything to fall on my face. And of course this neck is also deep, so we can cover this area as well. So what I'm going to use is, so this is the product we are using today. And okay, so I'll be using it with the help of a brush. So it is my normal foundation brush, but I don't use it anymore because I mostly use my beauty blender. So I'm going to use it for these things. So take a little bit, so it is very smooth and frothy, and just apply it like this. It smells very lemony. So it's giving me that cooling effect. So best thing is, doesn't really burn like your regular bleaches do. It can be easily used on your hands, arms, to detan your arms. If you're going to somewhere to get that, if you think you will get that suntan, you can carry it with you, and whenever you want, you can use this. So very easy to use. You don't have to mix it with anything. Okay, so it has to be a thin layer. It doesn't have to be a thick layer, because you just want this product to work. Nothing should be extra. That's it. So you have to make sure that under eye area is not covered, because you don't want anything to go on this, because this part is very sensitive, so you don't want anything to go over there. And also I have my hairband is a little bit too pulled back, it should be right there, because so that it doesn't really touch my hairline. So it says about so how to use it is, you can use twice a week for best results. So apply a thin layer of cream over your face and neck and massage it into the circular motion. Oh, that's new. So you have to massage it into circular motion. So that's new. Okay. So also massaging this product, I think it works better if you massage it. You don't mind that. Massage is always good. So how you massage is, you have to massage it upwards like this. Over neck also upward. You just make sure there's nothing on your eyebrows, so you can use a cotton pad just to get rid of if there's anything on your eyebrows. Or Yeah, so also tied my hair. I also leave it for around 15-20 minutes to see the best results. So after 15-20 minutes I will wash my face and we'll see what difference does it make to my face. It has I have kept it for around 15-20 minutes, and as you can see, it has almost dried up. There was no irritation, no itching, nothing like the way the bleach feels or anything which is not not chemically feel, I could say this word. So I'm just gonna wash it and then we'll see the final result. So I washed my face, and I personally feel I can see the change, and of course there's no harsh feeling. The skin actually feels smooth. Personally I feel that the goodness of lemon and honey and tomato has really done its job, because that is very, very good. If it's there and it's making you feel good, it's not making me feel anything dry. And of course that little bit of pigmentation I have, it's kind of taken that away. So detan thing has also worked very well. So what do I do after it? Also very, very important. I always feel when you apply such products, and make sure you also do the follow-up routine after that to be done very, very effectively. Then only these things work effectively, if you do follow the steps which needed to be done after you have done this detan thing. So I'm gonna skip my toner because I personally feel this honey and everything has done its job. So let it be there. I don't want anything to another toner or something to kind of balance it. So I'm gonna leave that, skip that part, and I'm just gonna use a moisturizer. The moisturizer I'm be using is this Sen Botanica anti-aging brightening cream. Okay, so again, very, very it has that retinol and rejuvenating and toning properties. So again, and it also has a SPF 25 plus, but I do apply a sunscreen otherwise also, because I have freckles and that's been advised to me to apply sunscreen at all times. So very nicely I'll just make some dots and go upwards and apply a moisturizer. This moisturizer also is amazing. So just a moisturizer, no toner or serum for now, and of course a sunscreen, my all-time favorite Neutrogena dry touch sunblock SPF 50. This product has actually given it's also a face pack kind of thing, if I can say it, because it has a goodness of lemon and honey and tomato. So it has done that goodness part of the face mask, and also it's kind of detanned my face, and it is easily available on Nykaa. The product I'm sharing is Wish Care. It's Glow White Detan, and it retails for rupees 5.99. So again, you can also massage it a little bit as I did. I showed it to you. Guys, do try it. I personally feel it's very effective. It's good, and in these times when you don't want to go to salons too often, why not use something like this? So I hope you like this video. I hope you give lots of like and share to this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Lots of love from me. Take care, guys. Bye bye.